What if I told you there's a tool that could help you figure out your next career move, build your confidence, and even discover a brand new income stream all before the new year? And it doesn't require a coach, a course, or months of soul searching. I am talking about AI prompting, and I have created something that makes it so easy. You literally just answer questions, and AI does all the heavy lifting. No tech skills required, no overwhelm, just complete and total clarity. I'm going to show you exactly how this works and how I built an entire tool to help women like us reinvent our lives in midlife. But before I get into it, let me introduce myself. Hey, friend, my name is Quinn, and I am on a mission to help women in midlife create more freedom, ownership, and opportunity for themselves by turning their existing experience into new income streams. And I know so many of you are in that in between space right now. Maybe your career doesn't feel like yours anymore. Maybe you're wondering what's next, but you don't really have a clear roadmap. Or maybe you know you want something different, but you're not sure what that looks like or where to even start. Here's what I kept hearing from you. You kept saying things like, I need clarity, or I need some sort of roadmap or pathway, or I need a plan that actually fits my life, not some one size fits all formula that I'm seeing on social media. So I created something specifically for us, something that uses AI to help you think through big questions, get clear on what you want, and then finally create an actual plan to make it happen. Today, friend, I am pulling back that curtain. I'm going to show you this tool, how it works, and how you can use it to transform your life before the new year. I'm going to show you this tool, how it works, and how you can use it to transform your own life before the new year. So I talk to women in midlife every day, and here's what I see happening with us. We hit this point where we know something needs to change. We can feel it in our bones. The career that used to excite us feels draining now. The identity that we've been carrying doesn't fit anymore. And we know that we're ready for our next chapter. We just don't know how to get there. And then we get stuck in this analysis paralysis. We start reading all kinds of books, we consume all kinds of content, we journal endlessly, and we think about it like it's on a loop in our brains. And we still don't have a clear plan after all of that. We still don't know what to do first, second, or third. Maybe you've thought about hiring a coach, but then you think, man, that's going to cost me thousands of dollars. And then you think about maybe taking some courses or going back to school. But then you say, I don't have time to watch that many videos. And then you think about the journaling piece, but you end up with the same questions over and over again and still no real answers. And here's the thing that I know about us. We are smart. We are capable. We don't need someone to tell us what to do. We need the right questions to help us figure it out on our own. And that's where AI comes in. And that's why I created the Reinvention Blueprint. Do you want to see it? Come on. So, the Reinvention Blueprint is a prompt generator that's designed specifically for women in midlife who are ready to reinvent their lives. It is not a course, it's not coaching. It's something that I feel is a little bit better. It's like having this strategic thinking partner available to you 24/7. And here's how it works. You get 6 complete prompt packages in this collection. Each package is filled with curated AI prompts that you simply copy and paste into ChatGPT, Claude, or some other AI tool that you like. So the AI asks you 3 questions, it helps you think through your answers, and then it creates a personalized plan just for you. So let's take a look at what's actually included. So there's the design your reinvention roadmap. This helps you map out your next chapter with a personalized 90-day transformation plan. It's tailored to your goals, your strengths, and your lifestyle, not some generic timeline that doesn't fit your reality. Then I gave you the Write Your Confidence script. This one creates powerful affirmations and talking points that help you own your story and speak your worth in any room, whether you're interviewing, networking, or just introducing yourself at a party. Then there's Discover Your Encore Career. These prompts help you uncover fulfilling work possibilities that leverage your lifetime of experience and align with what matters most to you now, not what mattered 10 years ago. Then the Create Your Boundary Blueprint helps you develop clear, compassionate boundaries that protect your energy and strengthen your relationships because saying no to what drains you is how you say yes to what lights you up. The Plan Your Wellness Reset helps you design a sustainable self care routine that honors where you are now and energizes your reinvention journey, not some Instagram perfect morning routine that makes you feel even worse. And then finally, there's the Find Your New Income Stream. And this, guys, is the big one. It helps you turn your passions and expertise into a meaningful income stream that fits your life. So each prompt package is designed to unlock clarity, confidence, and actionable next steps for you. You're not getting vague inspiration, you're getting specific questions that lead to real answers. And you want to know what's really wild? I built this entire page that you're looking at right now using the exact same AI prompting process that I'm teaching you in this video. I did not hire a designer. I didn't spend weeks in Canva. I had a conversation with Claude. I described what I wanted, and this is what it created for me. Notice how each one of these prompt packages really speaks directly to the challenges that we face in midlife as women. The identity shifts, the need for boundaries, the desire for work that actually matters, and that's intentional because these prompts were designed by someone who actually gets it, namely me. And then it was refined by AI to ask the exact right question. What I love about using AI this way is that it's not about replacing your thinking, it's about enhancing it. It's about having something that asks you better questions than you'd ask yourself. And that's exactly what the Reinvention Blueprint does for you. It asks you the questions you need to answer to create the life that you actually want. Friend, we're at the end of 2025, and in a few weeks, everyone's going to be making resolutions. They're going to be setting goals. They're going to be promising themselves that 2026 is going to be my year. But you and I both know how this usually goes. By February, those goals will be out the door and long forgotten. Nothing will change. And before you know it, another year will have gone by. What if this year could be different for you? What if instead of vague intentions, you had a clear 90-day roadmap? What if instead of doubting yourself, you had a confidence script you crafted specifically for your story? What if instead of wondering what comes next, you had already discovered your encore career? The Reinvention Blueprint gives you the framework to do all of that before January 1st. So while everyone else is still figuring out their goals, you're already executing your plan. You get to start the new year with clarity, confidence, and momentum, not confusion and hope. And look, I know what it's like to feel stuck. I know what it's like to know you need change, but not know where to start. That's why I built this, because we deserve better than spinning our wheels for another year. I've created a powerful set of AI prompt packages that have been tested and designed to help you launch your new chapter with clarity, confidence, as well as speed. These are the exact prompts I use to turn my ideas into income, and now they're available to help you do the same thing. Whether you want to map your 90-day reinvention plan, identify your next income stream, or finally articulate the value that you truly bring to the table, these prompts walk you through it step by step so you're never stuck staring at a blank screen. No waiting for January, No hoping motivation just magically appears, just the tools to act now while the momentum is here. Make sure you click the link in the description to visit my PayHip store and get the Reinvention Blueprint. You'll get instant access to all 6 AI prompt packages ready to help you map your next move today. Don't wait for ready. You are ready. You just deserve the right tools to turn possibility into progress. So, if you found this video helpful, please, friend, give it a thumbs up. Then subscribe if you want more content about reinventing your life in midlife without all of the overwhelm. And make sure you drop a comment to tell me which prompt package you're most excited about. I read every comment and I would love to hear from you. As always, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.